I think one of the biggest lies we've been told is that we should always feel happy. Growing up, I used to be bullied, and that shit changes you, man. No matter how much therapy you get, you'll never be the same person. And that comes with a lot of emotions, You become an emotional roller coaster, and it can mentally fuck you up completely. And to some people, it does. But the thing is, this is just one simple example. People go through things in life, things that are traumatizing sometimes, and they'll never be the same. And they can't feel happy all the time. And you might say, yeah, you can get help, of course. But again, it changes you. Therapy helps you to cope with what happened. It doesn't make you forget it. So, so if you go through certain experiences, it's okay to not be happy all the time. I think feeling the pressure of needing to be happy or feel happy also can play a negative role in your mindset, because if you're supposed to feel happy all the time but you're not feeling it all the time, that means something is wrong with you, right? At least that's how some people interpret it. But that's the thing, you don't have to feel happy all the time. You're human beings. We're spiritual beings having an experience on this planet. The shift between your emotions, positive, negative, happy, sad, teaches you to appreciate the other one. And the funny thing is, when you focus on that, it also shifts your mood from sadness to happiness. Because the feeling of appreciation for something you have or had can give you the sense of happiness. Anyway, I'm digressing. Stop letting society tell you what to do, what to feel, how to feel. The majority of us are just like sheep. We just follow without thinking for ourselves. Because my neighbor does it, I have to do it. And that's the trap you fall into. Because let's say you have a good job, right? You have a well-paying job, everything's going well, and you see your neighbor buy a BMW. You have this old Toyota, and you're like, my neighbor has it, so I have to have it too, or something better. And that's how people fall into the trap of making a lot of money, but still not going anywhere. And in the long run, that can also bring you down, because it means you are trapped in a situation you actually don't want to be trapped in, just because you wanted to keep up with your neighbor. Anyway, the moral of the story is, don't let society or people around you force you to feel happy all the time, because whatever you force, it's not going to work anyway. It's okay to feel sad every once in a while. Appreciate the fact that you are a complex human being, and it's okay to experience those emotional changes every once in a while. Anyway, if you made it this far, thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next one.